So class, welcome back. After our conversation class, after revising our conversation topic once again, now it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. So what we are doing in EVS is something similar what we have done in conversation. So in conversation we have revised about different festivals, how we celebrate, why we celebrate and who all people celebrate that. As I told you, there are some national festivals like 15th August Independence Day, 26th January Republic Day, and then we have 2nd October Gandhi Jayanti. So these festivals are celebrated by the whole nation. पूरी countries को celebrate करती है. Now I have also told you about different religious festivals. So today we are going to study about one more religious festival, that is Christmas. So now tell me, who celebrates this festival? Which community celebrates this festival? It is celebrated by the Christians. So when we celebrate it on 25th December. So every year in December month, so you all know that there are 12 months in a year and December is the last month of the year. That means 12th month of the year. Now in December month on 25th day, that means जिस दिन की date 25th December होती है, on that day we celebrate the festival Christmas. And what we do? We decorate Christmas tree, isn't it? You all love decorating Christmas tree, and Santa Claus come and he gives you a lot of gifts. Then when in the other countries where there is lot of snow there, people they make snowmans. क्या बनाते हैं वो? स्नोमैन. आपको मैम ने बताया था ना व्हाइट कलर में देयर इज अ स्नोमैन. वो कैसे बनता है? स्नो से बनता है. सो स्नोमैन भी बनाते हैं. देन सांता क्लॉज कम्स, वी डेकोरेट क्रिसमस ट्री. बट व्हाई वी डू ऑल दिस? ये सब क्यों करते हैं? व्हाई वी सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस? बिकॉज ऑन दिस डे लॉर्ड जीसस वाज बोर्न. कौन पैदा हुए थे? लॉर्ड जीसस. सी एज वी सेलिब्रेट जन्माष्टमी, किसका बर्थडे होता है? लॉर्ड कृष्णा का. सिमिलरली वी सेलिब्रेट क्रिसमस, वो किसका बर्थडे होता है? लॉर्ड जीसस का. ओके, नाउ कैन एनीवन टेल मी द फादर्स नेम ऑफ लॉर्ड जीसस? लॉर्ड जीसस के फादर का क्या नाम था? हिज फादर्स नेम वाज फादर जोसेफ. क्या नाम था उनका? जोसेफ. एंड द नेम ऑफ हिज मदर वाज मैरी. मदर मैरी. उनकी जो मदर थी उनका क्या नेम था? सी वी ऑल हैव फादर मदर. हम सबके पेरेंट्स है ना. सिमिलरली लॉर्ड जीसस के भी पेरेंट्स थे और उनके फादर का नाम था जोसेफ और उनकी जो मदर थी उनका नाम था मदर मैरी. एंड यू नो लॉर्ड जीसस कहां पे बॉर्न हुए थे? यू नो द प्लेस वेयर ही वाज बोर्न? ही वाज बोर्न इन अ स्टेबल. एंड यू नो व्हाट इज अ स्टेबल? स्टेबल क्या होता है? अस्तबल. यानी कि जहां हॉर्सेस जो होते हैं ना, हॉर्सेस के हाउस को कहते हैं स्टेबल. आपने कभी देखा है हॉर्सेस का हाउस? वो जो ड्राई ग्रास से बनाया जाता है, वुडन शेड होता है एक तरह का. सो लॉर्ड जीसस वाज बोर्न देयर इन अ स्टेबल. एंड लॉर्ड व्हेन एवरीवन केम टू नो दैट लॉर्ड जीसस हैज बोर्न, beautiful angels and fairies they came down from the heaven and they wished each other. और वहां पे जो किंग थे, क्वीन थी, किंगमैन थे, वो सब ने क्या किया? They celebrated this day. And to remember that day every year we celebrate 25th December as Christmas. Is that clear to all of you? Okay, now what we are going to do today? Today I have a very interesting activity for you to do in your book. So what you have to do? Open your book fast and on page number 93. Yes. So I just write down here. So you have to open your book on page number 93. So open your EVS book on page number 93 and let's see how we are going to do that beautiful activity. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's activity in book. As I told you, it's a very beautiful activity, very interesting activity. So let's see how we have to do this work. So in your EVS book, let's open it on page number 93. So this is the page number we are going to work today. So first let us write the date here. So today is 23rd October 2020. So this is our today's date, and don't forget to write classwork here. Understood? Now what you have to do, color and decorate the Christmas tree. Wow! So there is a Christmas tree given to you here. Can you see that? A Christmas tree is given to you. You have to color it and decorate it beautifully. Clear? So Santa Claus, see, Santa Claus is giving gifts to everyone. So what we have to do, we only have to color and decorate the Christmas tree. So for decoration, for the decoration part class, I am using these different glitter tubes. I have golden, purple, silver, red, green. So these are different color glitter tubes I have with me. If you want, you can use dry glitters as we used in these diyas now. Similarly, you can use dry glitters also, or if you want, you can use some stones, some sequences to decorate your Christmas tree. But first, what we are going to do, we are going to color our tree. See class, trees are green in color. So ये जो portion है ना, we are going to color it. Clear? So I'll just color this and I'll show you how you have to color and which all part need to be colored. Okay? So class, see like this, just color your Christmas tree using pencil color or crayon color. So after coloring the tree, what we'll do, ये थोड़ा सा इसका stem portion दिख रहा है, we'll color that with brown color like this. Understood? Now after coloring this tree, can you see we are left with some portions like this. So what we have to do, we have to decorate all this now. So what I am going to do, I am going to decorate it using different glitter tubes. Clear? So for the first, let us start using these different color glitter tubes and color it out. Understood? So for the top star, the big one, I am using golden color. So what we'll do, we'll press it and we'll take out. Okay? So class, as I told you that now we are going to start decorating our tree. So for the top star, I am using this golden tube, and like this, I'll fill this star shape with golden color glitters. So this is the sparkle tube. It's very easy to spread. It's very easy to fill. But yes, after filling it, you have to leave it to dry. इसको dry होने के लिए छोड़ना है हमें. Okay. Now all the stars I am doing with golden color. Let's do that first. Then again I am doing this other one. Then we have some stars in between also. Like this. Now after that, we have some balls here. For balls, I am using multicolors like purple. Then for some I am using green. I'll use green. So one is this purple. You have to be very careful while you are doing it. So now I am taking red color. So all is completed now. So after this, what I'll do, I'll take the silver color and I'll fill it here. Like this.
So you have to color your tree first. सबसे पहले green color करना है, so that after, क्योंकि glitter लगने के बाद you won't be able to color it, ठीक है? So first of all color your tree properly, and after coloring it we'll apply these glitters on it. Okay, now one thing more what we can do is, let's take these different colors and we can put little small strings like this somewhere. Like this. So isn't it? The Christmas tree is looking beautiful or not? Yes, our tree is looking really very pretty and very beautiful, isn't it? So what you all have to do, you all have to decorate it. You can use any ideas, you can decorate it as you feel like. But don't only color. Stars, balls, इनमें सिर्फ color नहीं करना है. You have to decorate it. It is like an activity, a homework I am giving you. So today is Friday, tomorrow and day after tomorrow Saturday, Sunday holiday है. So what you have to do in these holidays, you have to color it beautifully. Clear all?
So class, you have understood why we celebrate Christmas, isn't it? And how we celebrate. So you all must have enjoyed doing the activity. You all have to decorate your Christmas tree as I have done. So as I told you during the video also, first you have to color the green part of the tree. Clear? After coloring that only you can start your decoration. So I have used glitter tubes. You can use any sequence work, or you can use paper stickers like stars, smiley stickers milte hain. So you can use that, or if you want you can use your dry glitters with Fevicol also, as we did in Diya na, in Diwali wale work mein. Similarly you can do that for your Christmas tree. So decoration of the tree is all up to you, but don't forget to complete the work and share with me, because I am eagerly waiting to see all yours beautiful trees. Clear? Now one thing more I want to ask you. What is the main reason behind celebrating all these festivals? Can anyone tell me that? The main reason or the main zest is to spread happiness, isn't it? सबके साथ मिलकर खुशियां बांटना, खेलना is what all about festivals. Now tell me one thing. आप बहुत happy हो because of festival, you are able to celebrate. But one of your friend who is also living near to your house is not able to celebrate that festival because of some reason. कुछ भी reason हो सकता है, but उन्होंने अपना house भी decorate नहीं किया है. They are not having sweets also. So is it really happy? क्या वो अच्छी चीज है? No, it is not. So what is the main, you can say, how we can celebrate this joy, this happiness? By spreading it. So what you can do? You can go to your friend's house, take some sweets with you. You can offer them those sweets. So if you are having a lot of decoration at home, share that decoration with those who need it, isn't it? So घर के पास में कोई भी one who can help you, या सबसे अच्छी चीज है दीदी आती हैं घर पे, isn't it? The one who helps your mother in domestic activities, auntie या दीदी कोई आते हैं. So try to give them happiness in the form of giving them small things. आप उनको respectfully भी बात करोगे ना, that is also a big thing for them. So the main thing behind these festivals is to spread happiness. Clear? As I told you earlier also, Holi pe, Diwali pe, you don't have to force somebody to burn crackers on Diwali or to apply colors on Holi. No. It is all about happiness. And not only with these two festivals, each and every festival give this message only. Spread happiness and enjoy with everyone. Is that clear to all? So bye for now. Take care.